Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce Joshua Weissman easy method. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat, then add 1 chopped onion and 4 minced garlic cloves and sweat gently until translucent. Add crushed tomatoes, a pinch of salt, and a small spoon of sugar if needed to balance acidity. Simmer gently while stirring occasionally and taste for seasoning before finishing with a knob of butter. Keep the heat low and let the tomato sauce simmer for 20 to 30 minutes so flavors concentrate and acidity mellows naturally. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and check the thickness. You want a corbel consistency that clings to pasta. Taste every few minutes and adjust salt or add a pinch of sugar if tomatoes are too tart, then swirl in a tablespoon of butter at the end for a smooth finish. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy cooking companion for long simmers and busy kitchens. It keeps water close while you stir. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you like it, and now let's get back to the video. For brighter flavor, add torn fresh basil just before serving so the heat releases aromatics without turning leaves dark. For richer depth, deglaze the pan early with 1 to 2 tablespoons of red wine and let alcohol cook off. If you like heat, sprinkle a pinch of red pepper flakes into the simmering sauce. Start small and build to taste. These simple tweaks transform a basic sauce into something memorable and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.